Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, abuse of LRS for offshore betting under CBIC lens. Next, FMCG distributor offer more credit to retails. Next, Tata's now own 100% of AirAsia India. Next, latest hurdle in India UK trade deal a patient rule. Next, government hike ethane prices target 12% blending. Next, China Pakistan to launch $10 billion rail project. Next, acting prematurely would have hurt economy, says Das. Next, PM Modi Woods Wolves Global INC in India best place for investment. Next, banks not keen to share Jet Airways liability. Next, Indian iPhone user may get to use 5G services from next week. Then we comes to page number 4 on that. Would not shut Kerala Center Byju's chief after talk with CM. Next, Tata's now own 100% in Asia Cup India. Next, within a month, Airtel crosses 1 billion 5G subscriber mark. Next, VI enhances offers to hold on to its postpaid customers. Next, JK Paper quarter 2 net doubles to rupees 327 crore revenue, jumps 72% to rupees 1723 crore. Next, Reliance Cap bidder rise legal issues with the implications of rupees 20,000 crore. Next, Sun Pharma open to taking more risk in R&D and investing more. Next, India best. Next, we comes to page number 6 on that. Retail e-rupees pilot in November. No rush to launch. Thus, next, Rupee credit card UPI to succeed in if small transaction under 10%. ASBE. Next, wheat export doubled to $1.48 billion in April September. Next, T-bill yields at multi-year high on near-term liquidity fears. Next, IDBI announces new deposit scheme lifts deposit rate to 7%. Next, SBI Mutual Funds IPO plans shelved for now, says Karar. Next, plea against DY Chandrachud appointed as CJI dismissed. Next, SCA seeks release of 100 kg GM mustard oil this Rabi season. Next, women's right activist Ella Bhatt passes away. Next, NHAI starts accepting electronic bank guarantees. Next, Financial Ministry to launch sixth round of coal mines auction today. Next, India carries out its first flight test of ballistic missile defense interceptor. Next, NPS speak a few quarters ago. Next, center rises ethanol prices okay for rupees 52,000 crore subsidy for non-urea fertilizer. Next, bar days building up Asia sees growth in India Aussies. Next, we comes to the page number 8 on that. UK FTA leaked draft IP chapter shows stringent patent rule. Next, bank not keen to share Jets rupees 200 crore liability. Next, India invoke calls on braver men discuss migration and security. Then next, plans afoot to merge IFCI infused capital. Next, 200 rupee bank staffer stare at job loss. Next, liquidator hired. Next, PNB to transfer 62 bad loans worth rupees 20,000 to crore to NARCL. Next, actually cash loss on diesel rupees 3 to 4 per liter, says Puri. Then we comes to page number 9 on that. ED Suman Soren in money laundering case. Next, Himachal high debt GSDP ratio makes poll freebies a tough task. Next, Modi launches 3000 to 4 flat for EWS in Delhi. Next, Kejriwal rupees 5,000 soap construction workers. Then we come to page number 10 on that. Food prices are soaring and so are companies' profit. Next, hate content on Twitter surges, more top tech executive quit. Next, Russia Binks says it will rejoin Green Deal. Next, China Pakistan agreed to launch $10 billion railroad project. Next, Tesla closes its flagship showroom in Belgium in retail strategy shift. Next, blow to Apple, area around iPhone City put under lockdown. Next, Steeler quarter 4, Tinder parents has more people pay to find right match. Next, In brief, on brink of very big win in Israel poll, Netanyahu. Next, S&P cut Credit Suisse rating to a level above junk status. Next, Opoido case CVS, Walmart, Walgreens to pay $13.8 billion. Then we comes to page number 11. It's an article section in that fiscal correction. Next, soluble and relevant. Next, a different kind of quitting. Uh, quitting. Next, empowering Gati Shakti. Then next, leadership in a time of constant flux. Then we comes to the page number 15, the existential crisis at RRBs. Next, Switch Mobility aims to be in EV market worldwide. Then next, we comes to page number 16 on that amid stiff goals, Earth losses, Ireland sized green cover. Next, Sunak decide to attend COP27. Next, Jimmy's prelude hits that become protest anthem. Then we comes to page number 17 on that trading activity dip in October despite market buoyancy. Next, 80% SIP investment go into equity fund. Next, Indies snap 4-day rally ahead of key Fed meeting. Next, oil prices rises ahead of a rate hike. Next, gold up rupees 51 on weak rupee. Next, Fusion Microfinance received 12% subscription. Next, and DCX IPO issue subscribed 69.7 times on last days. Next, India's decoupling from global capital markets surprising. Next, LIC housing under pressure on weak result. Then we come to page number 18 on that Nika quarter 2 performance bugs new age tech bloat. Next, how a mysterious screenshot spurred $450 billion China rally. Next, presumptive tax schemes are reduce complaints burden. Then that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.